Hey everybody, wanted to do a quick video of me unboxing my Hermes belt that was purchased from the boutique in New York. As you can see, it's wrapped with a nice ribbon that says Hermes. For people that do not know Hermes, when you buy a belt, you'll have to purchase the buckle separately and you'll have to purchase the belt separately as well. So basically, you're pretty much customizing the belt the way you want it. You can choose many different styles of leather, belt patterns, different types of leather, and different belt buckles as well. So let me open this. Here's the box. Pretty basic box. Pretty nice, sturdy. Now here's the receipt where I purchased it. Take a look inside. As you can see, here's the box presentation for the belt. There's the little centerpiece to put your belt buckle that you chose. So, here's the pouch that the buckle comes in. There are 3 different sizes of belt buckles that you could choose from. Majority of the people choose the middle size belt. Regardless of which ones you go for, all of them are extremely rare and hard to get. It usually takes months for a store to have shipment or even any in stock. Here's a better picture of the pouch. And here's the belt buckle. This is one of their newest designs of belt buckle. This is the brushed silver. It's usually polished silver. But they decided to make it brushed or add it to the collection. So I don't know if you can see very well. There's that Hermes right here. I figured this one would be less likely to scratch compared to the polished silver or the gold. They also have an enamel On the back it says made in France. Okay. Now let's take a look at the leather belt that I chose. Is the basic black. Actually, I wanted a ostrich black, but there wasn't any in stock. They only had the basic black leather that's reversible with the pebbled brown. So you would put the belt buckle right here, and Hermes has 3 belt sizes. They can be sized, however. Size 95, Hermes, Paris, made in France. The leather is extremely soft for those that has never purchased any Hermes products. Thank you for watching. Again, this is my unboxing of the Hermes leather belt with H buckle. Please like or dislike, comment as well. Thank you.